Everybody's John again. It is April 5th. If you're from the Midwest, you know we're about halfway in the middle of winter, and who the fuck knows. The only thing I am sure is that I gotta get the bike ready for summer. Do the oil change. While I'm doing the oil change, we're gonna put a Jagg's oil cooler on it. Hopefully I don't fucking overheat with the new fairing. Alright, first step of this oil cooler. Well, I mean, you better take the fucking oil out first. But the first step is pull the filter off. You see in the center there, you gotta pull the old oil stem out and see if we can get the old stem out so we can get the adapter on. Alright, 7/8 deep well. When you get them out, the cute little guy looks just like that. Well, finish the oil cooler. This is fucking stupid. I don't know. If you can change your oil, whatever, do it. If you can't change your oil, don't do it. It should take you all of like an extra 20 minutes. Well, there it is. I guess just do yourself a favor and get some braided hoses so it doesn't look like shit. Yeah. I was gonna make like a whole video, but it's literally fucking stupid. Like, it's an oil change plus 2 hoses. So, yeah, do it. Or not. Don't care.